Sucker MCs, they call me sire. Welcome back to the Wealth Snowball. It is Thursday, May 18th, 20 and the 23 on the Mayan calendar. It is 2:20 p.m. I don't think the Mayan calendar went to 2023. Remember when the world was coming to an end? I actually had a lady that worked for me at the time. Her husband, and their daughter believed that the world was indeed coming to an end. You're fired. I didn't fire her, but I should have. No, I didn't, and the world didn't end, so all's well. That hopefully didn't end at all. 153.60 on the target. Let's get right back to the point. Finally, Bart. 153.64 on target, down over $7 today, 4.5%. And now I'm still very glad that I got out of that trade that I was in with Target. I put that trade on Friday. It was a 155 strike on 5 put contracts, collected $2,550. Yep. And then just on Monday, I bought those closed for 21, 25, whatever the number was. I ended up netting, it's either 425 or 475, something like that. So I'll take that money because now Target, under that strike price. So I would be experiencing the bitter beer face if I still had that trade on. But doesn't mean I'm not interested in the Target at this number. So I was building, just, having some fun today, building out this new spreadsheet. And this is going to be my dividend scores spreadsheet. I'm putting together a 15-point scoring system. That sounds about right for you. 15-point scoring system on dividend stock. So for instance, we have dividend yield. Okay, so that's current dividend yield, 5-year dividend growth, yield on cost. This is a 5-year yield on cost number. Safety score, growth, yield, and consistency. All 4 of those related to the dividend specifically. And then regarding the company and the stock, valuation, growth, profitability, momentum, and then revisions. Revisions are important, especially now with what, I don't know, may or may not be an upcoming recession. Then we have return on equity 5 over 5 years, and then a buy, hold, sell score with the highest score being a 15, basically 0 to 15 on buy, hold, and sell. The higher the score, the better, the closer to the buy scale. And then we have a total. So there's our totals. Okay. And because this darn spreadsheet's so long, I added the ticker back in. So you can see right now, Pepsi is leading the charge, followed by Pfizer and then Target. So there's our Target. Get it? And then we have yield theory. What does dividend yield theory say the value of Target is today? And it is saying $192, because dividend yield theory basically states that historic dividend yield average is where the company will revert to the mean. So that says that Target's worth 192, and Alpha Spread says their intrinsic value is 177.42, and at this moment they're about 153 and change. So I thought, let's take a look at that. Let's take a look at Target, maybe make a short-term trade on Target right now. So let's open up the options chain. Let's look to just tomorrow. So a 1-day trade, basically. Sell, put. It's currently trading at 153.27. And the 152.50 has a 79. And 2.5, it's now at an 80. $2.50 wide at the 150 if we buy that back. That would put us at a 54 credit. Okay, we'd have a 54 credit. If we did 3 of those contracts, what could we fill that out on just a 1-day trade? Can we get to 58? Let's try for 58 cents, $174. So let's try to fill it. 57, $171 on the put credit spread on Target, on the Target. coughing up $750 in collateral. And the numbers are changing on me already, as you can see, right before your very eyes. What's target doing as we speak? 153.34. That should be in our favor. But it's saying it's not. Let's replace that order. See what we have to do to fill this. 55. Do I have 55? 55. So we would be at 165 on $750 collateral. Anyone? Okay, so there it is. $165 we collected on $750 in collateral. So if that trade goes our way and then expires at full profit, we would be at 22% in one day on our equity, on our collateral. But it's only $165, Bart. And you know what I would say? Well, it's $165 that I didn't have before this trade began. So we'll keep an eye on that. We need it to finish tomorrow above 152.50, the target. So there it is right there. Thanks for tuning in. I've got a couple more that I have my eye on, including Procter & Gamble again. So we'll take a look at that as well. What is Procter & Gamble? I think I've got them over here, don't I? Yeah, there is the Procter and the Gamble. Their total dividend company score rating. We'll come up with a cool name for the scoring, but it's 116.62. So they're ahead of McDonald's, ahead of Verizon, and well ahead of Intel. So there we have it. Thanks for tuning in. I will see you in the next video.